Here, g'day, just going to run you through installing a load cell on your standard T3PA pedals. When you buy the load cell, this is how it'll come. You plug your pedals into that port there. The other end will just go off to a USB port on your computer. Over the pedals. So basically you need to remove that bracket to get the conical bump stop off. You can't screw it out. So you need to remove the bump stop. Then you can put it back in. Then you can just mount up the load cell. It's pretty simple. Just place it there, put the screw in the back. It's an M5 countersunk screw. Tighten it with a 2.5mm Allen key. Just line it up so it's nice and square. Tighten it, and that's it. You now have a load cell on your standard T3PA pedals. Works really well.